okay, which is the very important model problem, which is the mean by using step deviation method. Here step deviation method is very important in our statistics. Here which is required, mean is required, which is by using step deviation method. To find out the mean, we should use for this group data step deviation method only. Step deviation method. First, which is the given table. I am writing weight as class interval. Weight as class interval. Number of students as frequency. Your class intervals given as 25 to 30, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. These are given classes. Here frequencies are 8, 11, 17, 9, 5. 8, 11, 17, 9, 5. These are the given frequencies. Frequencies are denoted by Fi. Here we should use step deviation method. Here to find mean by using step deviation method, we have a formula. That is mean in step deviation method is A plus sigma Fi into Ui by sigma Fi into H, which is the formula. We will use this formula to find out the mean for grouped distribution table. Here A means assumed mean. A means assumed mean. Fi means frequency of ith class. Ui means xi minus a by h. Xi minus a by h. Xi means mid value of ith class. Mid value of ith class. A means assumed mean. H means class interval. H means class interval. Here we know about A, Fi, Ui, H and Xi. Here to find out these values, A is required. To find out A, we will select A value from class marks. But here in this there is no class mark. We can assume A from class marks. We will assume this A from class marks. Means from mid values we can select A values. But there is no mid value. Therefore find out mid values. mid values are represented by xi. Mid value of 25 and 30. 25 plus 30 by 2. That is 25 plus 30 by 2 means 55 by 2. 55 by 2. 55 by 2. Half of the 55 is half of the 55 is 27.5. 27.5 means here just added 2.5 to lower limit. Similarly, add 2.5 to lower limit, you will get mid value 32.5. Next 37.5. Next 42.5. Next 47.5. These are the mid values. From these middle values, from these class marks, now we can assume a value. Here, to locate a value, first see the column of frequencies. See the column of frequencies. Here in this column, which is the largest value, which is the highest frequency. Now, against highest frequency, we have a class mark. Select that as a A. Select that. Therefore, here 37.5 is the assumed mean. Here, which is the assumed mean. Now we got assumed mean as 37.5. Now we have xi and h also. H means class interval. 30 minus 25, 5. 35 minus 30 is 5. Therefore, h is equals to just we have 5. Now we know about xi. Xi means here we have a column. A means we have 37.5. H means 5. Now substitute. Now find out ui. Ui is equals to xi minus a by h. Here to find out u1, first xi, which is the xi, 27.5 minus a. A is equal to 37.5 by h means 5. Just substitute. Here 27.5 minus 37.5 minus 10. Minus 10 by 5 minus 2. If you get minus 2 for first class, you will get minus 1 for second class, 0 for third class, 1 for next class, 2 for next class. Therefore, these are the values of ui. Just to substitute xi minus a by h value. First we are getting minus 2. Now increase these values, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Like this, if you find out by using this formula, by using these values, you will get these ui values. Now, after getting ui values, now multiply those ui values by fi. Now find out fi into ui. Here, which is the fi values, these are fi values, these are ui values. Multiply 8 into minus 2 minus 16, 11 into minus 1 minus 11, 17 into 0 0, 9 into 1 9, 5 into 2 10. Now after finding fi into ui, find out the summation of fi ui. Find out 10 plus 9 19, 10 plus 9 19, 19 minus 11, 19 minus 11 8, 8 minus 16 minus 8. See once again, 10 plus 9 19, 19 minus 11 8, 8 minus 16 minus 8. This is the value of sigma fi ui. Therefore we got this numerator. Sigma fi means find out the sum of these values. Sigma fi. Here 17, 17 plus 11, 18, 28, 36, 36 plus 9, 45, 45 plus 5, 50. In question also given, we have been given 50 students. Like that we got here sigma fi is 50. Therefore now we got sigma fi. Substitute these values in our formula. Mean is equals to first A. A means 37.5 plus sigma fi into ui minus 8. Sigma fi, that is 50, into h is equal to 5. Now 37.5 plus into minus 8 into 5 by 50. 8 into 5 by 50. Now 37.5 minus 5 tens are, we will get 8 by 10, means 37.5 minus 8 by 10 means 0.8. 0.8. Now subtract 0.8 from 37.5. 37.5 subtract 0.8. Now 15 minus 8 7. Here 6 is there. 36.7. 36.7, which is the arithmetic mean of this given data by using step deviation method.